Hello everyone, welcome to my PHP. Today we will introducing to the program Pace Calculator. Okay, this program is program to calculate the pace. The pace value is the calculation of how many minutes we run in a run, which we just fill out the distance that we ran and when we run. Then you can know that at a distance of 1 kilometer, we spend time in how many minutes to run in order to record the statistics for the next run. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we will explain about language. This program can be used in two languages. You can use Thai language or English language. Okay, and the next part in this section, we will fill out information. Okay, the first thing we will fill out about username, and this field we will fill out duration. Okay, this hour and minutes and second. Okay, for example, we will fill out 1 hour, and this field we will fill out distance. Okay, for example, we will fill out 5, and we can calculate. Okay, this program will show the result table, in which the result table will be framed as well distance used in running and running time and pace we want to know 12 minutes. Okay, the next part is about the article. You can read the article if you want. You can click read more. And the last, this program has listen information for look your own information, so you can click display information for see your history. Okay, or you can search your name for see your history. You can click to list table and search your name. Okay, you will see your history that you calculate, and you can click to show your history. Okay, today we just finished this presentation. Thanks for watching.